हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक। सो जैसा कि हमने लास्ट टाइम ये होमवर्क दिया था आपको, यू हैव टू टेक ए नंबर एज इनपुट एंड यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट इट्स प्राइम फैक्टर्स। सो हमें एक नंबर 12 इनपुट लेना है और उसके प्राइम फैक्टर्स फाइंड आउट करने हैं। तो 12 के लिए प्राइम फैक्टर्स आएंगे 2, 2, 3। ठीक है, तो अब हम स्टार्ट कैसे करेंगे इसको? तो एक सिंपल सा एग्जांपल लेते हैं पहले। लेट्स डू ए ड्राई रन फॉर दिस वन फर्स्ट। Let's do a dry run. So straightforward, if I take a 12 as input, so मुझे एक्चुअल में करना क्या है? I have to divide 12 by 2. So I have to start from 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, then 6, all the way. So कहाँ तक चलेंगे? एक बार ड्राई रन करके देखते हैं क्या रहता है। तो सिंपली आई विल स्टार्ट बाय 2। तो मैं सबसे पहले चेक करूँगा कि जो आपने नंबर दिया है 12, दैट इज़ डिविजिबल बाई 2 or not. So this condition is true here, and now what we will do? So अगर ये true होता है तो हमारा एक फैक्टर क्या हो गया? 2 हो गया। ठीक है, and after that straight forward, like 12 का हमारा एक फैक्टर 2 निकल गया है, हो गया है हमारा कंप्यूट। देन मुझे 12 को रिड्यूस डाउन करना है बाई 2। सो इट विल बी 12 this 2. So it will give me 6 here. Okay, now this 6 will be given input and making sure हम वापस 2 से ही चालू करेंगे। So here I will make it like 6% 2. Percentage is used for getting me the reminder. So here this condition again true, and another factor is 2, and now 6 में like हमने जब इसको डिवाइड किया, वी गेट ए वन फैक्टर एज ए 2. सो नेक्स्ट विल बी नेक्स्ट नंबर वी हैव टू रिड्यूस डाउन दिस 6 to it will be 3. Okay, now apply the same formula. It's 3% 2 equals to 0. So this is not true. Good, it's a false. So whenever it is false, we have to increase 1 in this number. So we are starting by 2, so we have to increase, like it will be 2 plus 1, it becomes 3. And now we have to run it again. It's 3% 3 equals to 0, and this condition is true. So next factor is 3. Now we have to check the division as we did it here for, जैसा हमने यहाँ पे किया है 12 के लिए किया है, 6 के लिए किया है, और अब हमारा यहाँ पे तो 3 डिवीजन 2 सिंबल्स, ये 2 क्यों लगाए? 2 लगाए हमने फॉर इंटीजर डिवीजन। ओके, एंड दिस विल बी इक्वल्स टू 1, एंड व्हेन इट बिकम्स 1 वी हैव टू स्टॉप इट। सो दिस विल बी द ड्राई रन स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड। लेट्स जंप टू द कोड, हाउ वी विल write the code for this one. So obviously we need a loop, and how we will start, like let's take a number as input. So first I will take number as input, like it will be any number. So I will say like num equals to int input, enter a number, and then so now what I have to do, straightforward, I will make it like x equals to that number, and then I will start by y. Okay, and then I have to run a loop till while that condition, which becomes like y is less than equals to x. Okay, and if now we will put this condition, if here I will put it like if that x percentage y is equals to 0, that is that if it is true, then what I will do, I will simply print that factor which is x. Okay, and then I will reduce down, I will print the value y here, not x. Okay, and then I will reduce down x by x percentage by y. Okay, this is the which one? This is step true, and then we print the value, and then here we have to reduce down x, and then we have to do it for again for like with the same same y value. Notice there is no change in the y. Okay. And in case of else, what we have to do? In case of else, we have to get an increment in the y. So whenever it is not divisible, so we have to increment 1 in a y. And so let me comment this one, dry run part, so that you can easily connect. I will just give you dry run again. Actually, I will explain that one, don't worry. So let's run this one. And if I give 12, it will give me 2, 2, 3. So this is the same actually. 12, then it came here. Okay, making x equals to 12. Here it says, is that y, which is 2, is less than equals to 12? It says true. Then it gets inside here. It says 12 percentage 2 equals to 0. It says true. And then it says print the value, which is here, this one. And then it just reduced down the x. x को इसने reduce down किया है. Because एक factor आ गया है, तो obviously हमें divide करके then we have to get that 6 here. Okay. And this happens for 6 also. So we got that 2 again here. And now when this condition failed, actually false, at that time we make it x, we make it y incremented by 1. Okay. So what will be the next? Let's run it for another number actually. Let's run it for, suppose, let's run it for like 9. It will be 3, 3. Okay. Let's run it for 100. It will be 2, 2, 5, 5. You can notice it now, like 2, 2, 4, 4, 5 and 5. These are the prime factors actually. Okay. And what will happen if I give the number as a prime actually? Run this. And if I give it as a, suppose if I give 7. So right now it is giving me like 7 is the only. So you can do a small homework here. Like in case of whenever you enter a number which is like that number itself. Okay. So it just give it as a factor as a 1. 1 and that number. For prime number, for any prime number, just display 1 as output. So that will be a small homework. I hope you are enjoying that, whatever the content I am placing there. Okay. If you have any query, just drop as a comment and I will revert back to you. Thank you.